Let's take a minute to see how easy it is to add projects in Matidor, right from the map or by importing a file. To add a project on the map, click Create New and choose Project from Map. You can either drop a pin anywhere on the map or search for the desired location. To look for a particular location, just click here. The system accepts coordinates, addresses, UWI, LSD, and NTS. Once your location is found, an option to create a project on the spot will be displayed. Click on it to start the project creation. Pick a template, add a few details, and hit Save. Want to import a bunch of projects at once? Click Create New again and select Project from File. Upload your spreadsheet, choose how to locate your projects, and match the right columns to project fields. Click Preview to check your locations, then select Template. Map any required fields, and save your template to move ahead. Finally, review everything and hit Start Importing. Matidor will bring your projects in while you keep working. When it's all done, you'll get an email and a new portfolio will be present with your imported projects. Ready to explore on the map. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more. And hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.